know it's a last week process, Jamie. Only yesterday you were dreaming of a penis.
Yeah, the only thing on my mind is how many peanuts drop.
Every now and then you say something that makes me think you're smart. And then I look at you and that's not me.
I know, it's correct enough. Nobody cares to offer him, but nobody.
You didn't tell me what today is.
It's Thursday.
You are so wrong.
No, I'm not. I'm the only sober person in this conversation, the only one with the calendar on his watch. Look at it, it's fucking Thursday.
Today I would have died.
And he remembers.
Great floor lamp. Gives you plenty of space to decorate. Blends in with any decor. You have the on and off on the floor. And then you have a nice handy remote. You can tell the different lighting that it brings. And we have the night light. And then, love it. I love my floor lamps. This one, the lighting is, if it could be a little bit brighter on the highest setting, it would be great. I keep it basically over there, and I can move it anywhere I want for lighting at the couch or at the recliner.
We have the reading button, we have the computer button, then we have the baby button, and then we have the K button. Then we could also blink in case of letting someone know that you need something. We just have the 1H, and we could go to the side, go dim down, and then here also a button to step on it and turn it off manually opposed to the remote.
Okay, I figured it out. Okay, I'm assuming maybe kitchen, night mode, baby feeding, computer, and book reading. I can turn each one up and down and light or dark. And then I have a 1 hour button. I'm assuming it'll shut off after an hour. I don't know what that one does, but that's that big old sun in the middle. I don't know.
I have a timer. I honestly never use that. Normal, you know. And then just kind of has a little step on if I want. Yeah.
I really like this lamp. It has different functions for the lighting. There's a bottle on here. I guess that's for feeding, reading, working, because it has a computer on there. That's your nighttime. When you hit the K, it goes back to the brightness. Also, there is a foot pedal down here, so turn off. Oops. And then you turn it back on.
Remote learning and gaming all at the same time.
Home is where your life happens. So get Verizon Percent Fiber Optic Network with plans starting at $39.99 a month. Plus, when you upgrade, get your next year of Amazon.